Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to sort your bookmarks on your Google Chrome browser by alphabetically order. In this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work, or you don't need to download, install any third-party extension on your browser. Just simply follow this method. Right click on your bookmark bar, empty space like this, and here you can get the option bookmark manager. Just click and open it. Okay, and here you can get your all bookmarks, as you can see. So the bookmark was not sort by alphabetically order. So if you want to sort this, just here you can get three dots option, as you can see. Just click on it, and here you can get the option sort by name. Just click on it. It will automatically sort your bookmark by alphabetically order, as you can see guys. So that's it for today guys. If you want to sort your bookmark by alphabetically order, so you can do it from here. So hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.